Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marie. Today I'm doing just a one set mani, but first I want to show you. I should have taken these out of the plastic. So this set is from 2019. It's called Full Sail Ahead. Beautiful glitter, chunky glitter, navy blue. And then this is Oceans Apart that we just was launched. Let me take it out. I was trying to be prepared and I thought it would look okay. And it's a petty set. And it looks identical to Full Sail Ahead. Petty mani. What do you think? So they did the exact same set, but made it a petty. Anyway, just had to show that. So the set I'm going to use today is Anchors Aweigh. Awfully cute. I wasn't sure what to put. I can't believe I didn't even open this before I started. Get these out. Okay. Goodness. So wasn't sure what to put on because of my nails being so short, but they're growing back, which is always a good thing. I do have on the Nail Teaks Formula 2 Plus. That is linked in the description box down below. I do not have peel off base on today. And wow, okay. I think this set is cute. I would have not minded more of the anchors in it, but I do like the stripes. We'll see how it looks. I'm not one to put designs on my toes. I don't know why. I just am not. I just don't. So, I am probably gonna. Yeah, I don't think I can get 2 nails with 1 strip. Yeah, so I could have just pulled them both out. Forgot about this. Petty set, petty set that you don't get as much out of it as you do with a mani or just a mani set. Yeah, not going to work. It's pretty cute though, I have to admit, pretty cute. So I am pre-recording here. It's actually Tuesday the 16th. This probably won't go up until Sunday. I think this is just cute. So cute. And you can't double these, the petties. So if you like to have 2 excuse me, 2 layers, you would want to use Clear as Day, unless you wanted to put some clear overlay that has a glitter in it. So cute. They'd be cute this way too. I think it's very cute. I think this is the one I would use. Gonna have to be. I can't believe, oh, I could have used that and do an accent nail. Do I want to do that? I think I want to use the other set that I just showed me as accent nail. I know this is going to be an accent nail too, but oh, it's so cute. Excuse me. I'm going to try to edit that sneeze out. I do not sneeze quietly, and it's embarrassing. Like, I cannot sneeze quietly at all. This nail is a little lopsided because of, I mentioned it before, that when I poked my nail bed, or poked through the nail with my nippers, and it's grown out, and it's actually doing better than I thought. I was so scared that I damaged my nail bed because my nail bed was bleeding when I did that. Oh, I should have done it the other way. I should have turned it around. That's what I usually do. So cute. Ugh. Oh, wow. Okay. To go down a little because it's like square on the set, since it's for toes. I guess square toenail beds. So cute. I only got one of each of these. Now that I am using this, and I have to use both rows, I'm gonna have to order me another one. Because it's just so cute. I just didn't know what to put on. I've been like sitting in my office just doing miscellaneous things, trying to think of what set to put on. So I messaged a couple of my friends. I was like, I don't know what to put on. I've been sitting here for 2 hours staring into space. So it was suggested to put this one on. So here we are. Oh, that one that I had opened, will that fit? I don't want to get it too close. We'll do that. I love this. No, I just love it. I wonder if I can make this work. Oh, I folded it right there because I'm not thinking that I might try to make it work. Nope. Okay. Whew. I think it's this one. Darn it, if I hadn't folded that, it would have worked perfectly. Oh my goodness, I stretched it and made it a little warped. And so you got to be careful stretching. Well, I wasn't intentionally stretching, but it works. Okay, so let me get this one. I'm not going to open my full-size head. I will open this. Let's pull that one out. Whoa. Going all crazy. Which way here? Okay. This one. Ring finger. Should be this one, I think. Do the next one just to be on the safe side. Look at that. Look at how pretty it is. I have no idea if it's showing it real good in here because I can't see above my camera. But it sure looks like a beauty. Oh, and it's kind of sheer, little sheer, but you can't totally see through it. Look at that stretch, perfect. Oh, I like it. I love blue. I never loved blue or black nail polish when I was younger. But boy, I sure do love it. Wonder if I can do this because I kind of tore the tip off a little. That's how short my nails are. Yeah, that's perfect. So if you've got the short little nail beds, you can make it fit. One strip for 2 nails. I don't have super short nail beds. They're kind of short. There. Oh, that is so gorgeous. I don't know if this one's gonna do too. I feel like this nail is just a little bit longer. Oh, Lulu, don't start barking. Man, that's pretty. Let's see. Go this way. Oh. Come on, Marie. There we go. There we got it. so vicious, this little barely 8-pounder. Oh my goodness, you're so scary. Sorry about that. She told me she was going to behave. I told her if she stayed in my office, in her little bed, she could stay in here while I film. Apparently she just couldn't help herself. Now I don't know, should I do my thumb with the stripes or should I do my thumb? I just love the stripes. I don't know what to do. Help. I'm going to do the stripes. Gosh, I love these stripes. Like, I love the polka dot sets. They need to do more with these colors. So pretty and cute, I guess. My skin is so dry for some reason. Okay. I don't think... No. Gracious, it's adorable. So that is all. It's adorable. Okay, there it is. We've got oceans apart on the ring fingers, and then anchors away on the rest. I think it is absolutely adorable. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I will see you next time. Ciao.